everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we turn your outdoor dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever struggled with bare patches, slope erosion, or just want a lush, low-maintenance alternative to a traditional lawn, then today's topic is for you. We're diving into the beautiful and functional world of Groundcovers garden landscaping. These unsung heroes of the garden can transform any space, adding texture, color, and solving common landscaping challenges. Let's get started and discover how to create a breathtaking ground cover garden. Ground covers garden landscaping refers to the practice of using low-growing, spreading plants to cover areas of soil. Unlike tough grass, which is typically a monoculture or one type of grass, ground covers encompass a huge variety of plants, including creepers, mosses, small shrubs, and flowering perennials. Their primary function is to protect the soil from erosion, suppress weeds, and provide a visually appealing green carpet or tapestry of color. They are often utilized in difficult-to-mow areas on steep slopes, under trees where grass won't grow, or as beautiful fillers between stepping stones and rock features, creating a cohesive and well-maintained look without the high maintenance of a lawn. The benefits of incorporating ground covers into your landscape are numerous, blending practicality with aesthetics. Firstly, they are champions of weed suppression. Once established, their dense foliage blocks sunlight from reaching the soil, greatly reducing weed growth and the need for constant weeding. Secondly, they are excellent for erosion control, especially on slopes and banks, as their root systems bind the soil together, preventing runoff during heavy rains. Ground covers also help retain soil moisture, acting as a living mulch that keeps the soil cool and reduces water evaporation, which is fantastic for water conservation. Finally, they introduce incredible biodiversity and visual interest to your garden, offering varied textures, seasonal blooms, and habitats for beneficial insects, often thriving in conditions where traditional grass would struggle, such as deep shade. To make your ground covers garden truly beautiful, focus on 3 key decorating principles: texture, color, and integration with hardscaping. Start by selecting ground covers with varying textures. For instance, pairing the fine, delicate leaves of creeping thyme with the broader, bolder foliage of sedum. Color is vital. Use flowering ground covers like phlox or ajaga to introduce splashes of purple, pink, or blue, and strategically mix green hues to add depth. Most importantly, integrate the ground covers with your hardscaping elements. Allow them to gently spill over retaining walls, soften the edges of a patio, or creep between the gaps of flagstone or stepping stone pathways. This blending of soft and hard elements creates a natural, aged, and enchanting look. Accentuate the area further with strategically placed decorative rocks, boulders, or low-level lighting to highlight the rich texture and color in the evenings. The best plants for ground covers depend heavily on your specific growing conditions, but there are many versatile, top-performing options. For sunny areas, creeping phlox offers stunning spring blooms, while various species of sedum provide thick, drought-tolerant, succulent mats. In shadier spots, pachysandra and English ivy are classic choices, offering dense, evergreen coverage, though ivy can be invasive in some regions. For a fragrant, walkable ground cover, nothing beats creeping thyme or Corsican mint, which release a lovely scent when stepped on. For challenging areas with wet soil or slopes, creeping juniper or ajaga or bugleweed are durable and beautiful. Always choose native or well-adapted non-invasive species for your climate to ensure the best results and minimal maintenance. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of 10 wonderful ground covers garden landscaping ideas to spark your creativity. One living tapestry with rock garden integration. Showcasing a vibrant blend of textures and colors, this rock garden idea uses contrasting ground covers like the rich purple of creeping thyme and the dense bright green of Scotch moss. The plants are allowed to spill over and around large, light-colored flagstones, creating a stunning, naturalistic tapestry. This technique is perfect for sloped areas, offering superior erosion control while providing incredible, year-round visual depth. 2. Curving borders in mixed planter beds. A great example of how to use low-growing ground cover to define the shape of a garden bed. A dense mat of green ground cover, likely creeping thyme, forms a soft, curving edge against a mulched planter bed featuring diverse plants, containers, and a decorative boulder. The curve adds dynamic movement to the landscape, guiding the eye through the garden and showcasing the mixed arrangements of colorful flowering plants. 3. Pathways softened by flowering creepers. This idea beautifully demonstrates how a dense carpet of tiny, light purple-blue flowering ground cover, possibly blue star creeper or a type of phlox, can seamlessly merge the hard edge of a stepping stone pathway with the surrounding landscape. The mass of delicate blooms creates a cloud-like effect, softening the transition from the manicured bed to the paved stone and providing a low-maintenance, colorful alternative to traditional lawn grass in a high-visibility area. For lush, walkable lawn alternative, this image features a neatly sectioned area covered entirely in a dense, small-leaved green ground cover, such as elfin thyme or Mazis reptans, installed as a sod-like alternative to traditional turf. It provides a uniform, rich green, low-growing carpet that can often handle light foot traffic and requires less mowing and watering than a conventional lawn, making the pathway of natural stone stepping pavers look intentional and inviting. 5. Illuminated tropical-inspired border. This idea showcases the dramatic effect of strategically lit ground covers and low plants alongside a modern patio. The dense lawn meets a raised planter bordered by LED strip lighting, highlighting the texture of the surrounding palm and grassy plants. The lighting emphasizes the clean horizontal lines of the wood fence and the defined edge of the ground cover, creating a warm, inviting, and contemporary outdoor space perfect for evening entertaining. 6. Xeriscape design with multiple gravels and rock. This ground cover idea uses textural elements beyond plants to great effect. Different shades of crushed stone and gravel like gray, white, and black serve as inorganic ground covers, contrasting sharply with large natural boulders and small, resilient plantings like succulents and low-growing conifers. This is an ideal, drought-tolerant, and low-water use landscaping solution for sunny or difficult rocky terrain. 7. Formal enclosure with defined hedges. A beautiful traditional garden design where low-clipped boxwood hedging acts as a structured ground cover border, enclosing a central bed of taller, free-flowing perennials and flowers. This circular design creates a peaceful focal point in the backyard, providing a neat, green frame for the colorful blooms and ensuring the central garden bed remains tidy and distinct from the surrounding lawn area. 8. High-impact, colorful street-side border. This image showcases a burst of color using mass plantings of various flowering ground covers and annuals along a sidewalk border. The vibrant yellows, oranges, reds, purples, and whites are layered with contrasting foliage, all contained by a low brick wall. This high visual impact strategy uses dense ground cover planting to eliminate weeds and create a stunning, welcoming curb appeal. 9. Modern formal garden with defined edging. Here, the ground cover is a classic, finely manicured lawn or similar dense, low-cut ground cover used to create a stark contrast against formal elements like topiaries or boxwood spheres in crisp white pathways. The clean lines of the green space sharply divide the functional seating area from the planting beds featuring tall white and yellow flowering perennials, demonstrating how ground cover can be the foundation of a sophisticated, modern design. 10. Cottage garden nightscape with layered lighting. This enchanting evening scene uses ground covers and low shrubs as a textural foundation, punctuated by vibrant purple and yellow blooming plants. Upward-facing spotlights hidden within the beds highlight the varied textures and colors, drawing the eye toward a cozy dining area nestled against a rustic wood fence. The ground cover adds depth, making the stone pathway feel like a journey through a lush, illuminated secret garden. Whether you're covering a challenging slope, looking for a low-maintenance alternative to grass, or simply want to add a tapestry of color and texture to your walkways, Ground covers are the perfect solution. They are the workhorses of the garden, offering functional benefits like erosion control and weed suppression, while providing endless aesthetic opportunities. Don't be afraid to experiment with different varieties, colors, and textures. Your garden will thank you for the lush, living carpet. If you found this video inspiring, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more landscaping tips, design ideas, and planting guides. We drop new videos every week. Let me know in the comments below. What is your favorite ground cover plant? And where in your garden do you use it? Share your photos and suggestions. We love hearing from our community. Now go on and start designing your own beautiful ground cover landscape.